Hello, this is Baxter again with a new tutorial, and this time we are going to make an axe. Yep. Now, when I did the pre-run, I didn't like those because they were getting in the way, so I'm going to get rid of them first. Now, we just tab into edit mode, make sure it's click because I also got annoyed with that. Now, I am going to scale this down a lot, like that. Go to front view. That should be good enough. Scale it on the x-axis quite a bit. Scale it. That's fine. Scale it on the y-axis quite a bit as well. A little bit outwards. Not that thick. Yeah, that should be good. Okay. Now, I'm going to make that the center point. Now, here's my reference image. Okay. I recommend always using reference images. They are brilliant. Because you get to see what exactly they look like, and you have a perfect example of them. I'm going to model this one. Well, I'm not going to model it exactly. I'm not going to have that. This is going to be a low poly model, so that means it is going to not have that many vertices. So that's good. You can use it for your games and things like that. Which I might. So you might see the exact same model as you see now in a game. Going to add a loop cut right through it like that. Now, going to select that SY0, and then I am going to click remove doubles. Okay. As you can see up here, 4 vertices are removed. Now, I'll probably get rid of a couple of these loop cuts afterwards, but for the moment, they stay there. Now, I'm going to add a cylinder. I'm going to make that 12. Should be fine, really. I mean, this is considering it's up close model. It's an up close model, and not further back, and not a model from further back, because see, these video game designers were very smart, and they created a system where basically what happens is you have a close-up model which you get to see the model and it's very high in detail, but then when you move further and further away from it, they swapped the same model for a model that looks a lot like it, only the texture resolution is a lot smaller and there aren't as many vertices and triangles, because everything is in triangles. Yeah, so this model would be only squares and rectangles would be turned into triangles like this. Wait, like this. Pretty much. Now, I'm going to select this here, going to extrude it downwards to there. Should be fine. Now if you notice, that part there is a bit curved, so I'm going to do the same thing, but first I'm just going to add in 5 loop cuts there. Now Going to select that. Move it up a bit like that. And rotate it like that. Just scale it on the not x-axis. Yeah, scale on the x-axis. Like that. Nah, that's good. That's good. Next, I'm going to add another small loop code here. I'm going to select the whole thing there. S, X, no sorry, I pressed Y again, X. I'm going to move it forward like that. Okay. I'm going to select these three sections, 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to scale them down, Shift Z, so on all axes but the Z axis. I'm going to move it back a bit and select these two and move it like that. Sorry. Going to move those forward a bit. Not much though. So now let's make it smooth. See how it looks? That's pretty decent, I guess. Very low poly, as I said. Going to select those there and move them back a bit. I'm also going to move this part here up a little bit. Okay. I really don't need that edge loop, and in fact I don't need that one either. Wait, I'm going to select them one at a time. So firstly, that one I'm going to press X and edge loop. I'm going to do the same thing with that one, and there we go. That's basically it. Okay, so in the next tutorial I'll be texturing this beast of an axe. Yep, this wood axe. Okay, so thanks for watching. I'll see you then.